In the battle of Korean tire manufacturers, two giants clash: the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 and the Kumho Ecsta HS52, both launched in 2022. Hankook, known for its premium status and innovative edge, goes head-to-head with Kumho, often seen as the underdog but determined to prove its worth. Who will come out on top in this intense showdown? Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 set as the reference point at 100%. First up, let's dive into wet performance. The Kumho Ecsta HS52 stops 2.5 meters shorter than the Hankook Ventus Prime 4, showcasing its superior control under harsh conditions. When it comes to wet handling, Kumho once again edges out Hankook with a faster average lap speed, 75.7 km per hour versus 74.3 km per hour. Even in straight aquaplaning, Kumho maintains its lead. In wet conditions, the Kumho Ecsta HS52 clearly dominates. Moving on to dry performance, the competition is incredibly close. The Kumho Ecsta HS52 stops just 0.5 meters shorter in dry braking and holds a tiny edge in dry handling with an average speed of 116 km per hour compared to Hankook's 115.6 km per hour. The difference is minimal, but Kumho still manages to come out slightly ahead. When it comes to mileage, Kumho proves its durability, lasting 900 kilometers longer than the Hankook Ventus Prime 4. And in terms of exterior noise, the difference is negligible, with both tires producing almost identical noise levels: 73.1 decibels for Kumho and 73.3 decibels for Hankook. However, in rolling resistance, Hankook strikes back, offering a lower rolling resistance coefficient value of 7.65 compared to Kumho value of 8.46, making it the more fuel-efficient choice. This highlights the classic trade-off in tire design, where Kumho opted for superior wet performance while Hankook focused on efficiency. In conclusion, the Kumho Ecsta HS52 stops shorter in wet conditions, handles better, and lasts longer, making it the superior tire in this head-to-head comparison, while the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 excels in rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.